What would it look like if that light was off?
Dark as fuck. Wow.
Perfect.
You want it on?
I can't see shit.
Okay, never mind.
I don't want to hurt Leo.
Hurt me?
Where's the cat?
Hurt me with what?
All this fun.
All this what? Are you, Mike? Are you saying?
Right here.
Are you saying you'd kick my ass?
Oh hell yeah! That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Mike.
Michael, have you seen your back?
Yeah.
Get your dumb ass. What is he doing? Look at Viva from Raza. He's gonna show off his tattoo.
God, look at it. It's just a roll.
Mike, are you rocking the beer gut right now?
You have a tramp stamp.
Michael,
Why?
show us your abs. Show us all the muscle you have, dude. You're ripped. Show them. Look at. Show the people what they're.
That's what I call.
Show them what they're working with.
Wait.
Show him.
Show them flex, dude. Flex your arm muscles.
Look at Chapo.
Those are your abs. That arms.
Show them your arms, your muscles on your arms.
Hey, wait! Don't push me.
You're pushing. Dude, you're taking your shirt off to clean the back part, and all you do is take it off, show your muscles, and put it back on.
No, tell you the truth, I'm not fat. Okay, that's fat right
But
there.
you were gonna take
Look.
that shit off your back.
I haven't lost. I have not gained weight.
Michael lost weight.
I lost weight.
Michael, will you hand me a beer? If you hand me a beer, that means you're still sober.
Dude, I'm telling you, I don't.
Holy shit!
Tell you the
You're
truth,
sober as hell.
I haven't gained.
No.
That's mine, fuckface.
That's
There you go.
Leo's.
That's mine.
I appreciate.
Oh my
shit.
god.
Here, put the empty ones down here so drunk Mike don't. This is yours.
Michael?
Okay, never mind. Go ahead, drink that one. Damn it, I should have bought some bottles.
I don't.
Michael, I swear, you just opened one.
I slammed it down.
You slammed your ass down?
I said I slammed it
like about
down.
7 times.
So you like to slam it into your ass, don't you?
Michael, that's not even close to what I said.
You said I slammed it down. And I'm like, close your ass. You're like, yeah.
No, you slam it. You slam
No,
the ass.
you said you like to slam.